If your X.com or Twitter feed is loading slowly, not showing new posts, or acting a little glitchy, clearing the cache can often fix the problem in just a few seconds. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to clear the cache on X.com or Twitter using your web browser step by step. And this works on most desktop browsers. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the web browser that you use to access X.com or Twitter. This could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or another browser on your computer. Once the browser is open, go to the X.com website or Twitter if that's the version you normally use. Now, on your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and the Delete at the same time. This shortcut opens the Clear Browsing Data menu in most browsers, and it's the fastest way to get to the cache settings. After that, look for the time range option. Click the drop-down and select All Time. This is important because it makes sure you clear out everything stored in the cache, not just recent files. Next, look for the option that says Cached Images and Files. Make sure that box is checked. You can leave other boxes unchecked if you only want to clear the cache and not your history or saved passwords. Once you've confirmed the correct option is selected, click Clear Data. Your browser will remove the cached files, and after that, you can refresh X.com or Twitter and sign back in if needed. This often helps fix loading issues, display problems, and pages that seem stuck on old content. And that's it. You've now cleared the cache on X.com or Twitter. If this tutorial helped, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple how-to guides just like this one.